everyone, I'm Kelly, your poetry mechanic, and today is the world premiere of Poetry Gems. Poetry Gems is a poetry mechanic series where I share one small gem from one of my poetry heroes or a poet I admire that I've studied with over the years that has really changed my writing. And today's poetry gem comes from Jane Hirshfield. Jane Hirshfield I studied with in Napa and is just so amazing. So she has the advice that you should tighten your poems as much as possible by taking out the is and the theirs. So for example, a line that reads, "My mother is a museum," becomes "my mother, comma, a museum." A line that reads, "He is all indigo and apology," becomes "he is indigo and apology." Same thing with there. So I might say that I found him there alone on the porcelain shoreline. It becomes I found him alone on the porcelain shoreline. See how taking out the theirs and the is just like it tightens up your poem. I have been using this in all my poems. It is very helpful. For more tips, more poetry gems, follow the Poetry Mechanic. I hope to see you soon. Until then, happy poeming.